Ndishila. Ndishila.
Yeah. Keep watching.
Hi guys, thank you for watching, and I just want to quickly clear this thing out before this is how I do my eyebrows, and people do them differently. Like, people have different ways of doing their eyebrows depending on their shape, whatever. I have two different eyebrows. I have one, I think this one is S shape and this one is curved. They're very different. It's very hard to make them similar, but I try by all means to make them look the same. But if they don't, it's okay still, because like, as long as like they're proper, I don't think it's that much of a big deal, because mostly I just don't do eyebrows alone like this. I actually have a full face on, so if they're like this, it's no problem, because I still have to do eye makeup, which will not put that much spotlight on my eyebrows, okay, that focus on my eyebrows. People focus on the eyes instead, and actually nowadays eyebrows are not much of a big deal. I don't know, but I feel just like right now eyebrows are not much of a big deal, because sometimes people don't even do them anymore. They just do their eye makeup and then brush them up and then put some gel on them, and that's it. So I feel like right now what we're on is like the eye makeup, which people, that's where they show their creativity, but doing different kind of style. But I was like, there are some girls here who have been asking me to do this video for like the longest times, so I tried to make it as easy as possible for you guys, and you know, and also use products that are very affordable, that you can find. Yeah. I am talking a lot right now, so I am not a makeup artist. I'm just a makeup. I've been watching YouTube videos for like ever since I came to varsity, actually, because that's when there was Wi-Fi and I get to see YouTube, and then I got interested in makeup, and then I kept watching these tutorials, of which that's how I learned to do most of the things I know how to do right now. And I'm very happy to be in this platform as well, to be not the viewer, to be the one that is producing content, and I can't wait for you guys to get more. I know I've been saying that a lot, but it's just that you guys don't understand how much I have in my head that I want to put out. It's just a lot, and I feel like we're gonna have fun. Also, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm seeing viewers, actually the views are actually increasing. Thank you guys on my last videos. I really appreciate you guys' support and your patience. Please tell your friends to also subscribe, share my stuff, comment, like, and also if you like have a request of what you want me to do on my next video, please leave it down below on the comment section. I will check them out and try to make things happen. But for now, this is the eyebrow tutorial that you guys been waiting for, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Hi Hans, I am barefaced and ready to do this eyebrow tutorial. Just washed my face and put on my moisturizer, and that's just about it. So now to start, we are going to be using this tiny brush in order to brush our eyebrows up. This helps your eyebrows look more natural and more defined when you actually do draw your eyebrows. So brush it up, brush it up. Now we are going to be using our dark brown pencil. Ooh, it needs some sharpening, so let me quickly do that. Okay, we are going to be using our dark brown pencil in order to draw. Now we're going to start with our lower line of our eyebrows. We're just going to use our natural eyebrows to like be the guideline of how we draw the line of our lower line. The lower line. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm mumbling right now. Yeah, and then also we are going to draw our upper line of our eyebrows, just like that. And then we are also going to pretty much do the same thing for the other eyebrow. Okay, now we are going to do the next step, which is filling in your brows, starting from the back like that and coming with it to the front. I feel like on this brows I went into the front way too much. I should have stopped like in the middle, but it worked, so let's just keep doing this. You actually have to leave the front open like that for later. I'll show you why later on. Keep watching. So this is why we left the front empty. It's also because we want to do that fade in illusion with the eyebrows, which helps them look more natural. So I'm using this pencil thingy at the back. I don't know what it's called, but I just bought a pencil with it and I felt that it's useful if I used it like this. So we are just gonna go in with it like that, using the products on the eyebrows already to do like that fade in illusion. I know that they now look crazy, but this is where the concealers come in. I'm gonna be using my the lighter shade of the concealers, which is Warm Honey. I'm gonna be using it on the lower line of my eyebrows. I'm just gonna be using a small sharp brush in order to help do a more defined line and also help with cleaning up the eyebrow. Just look how carefully I am with how I'm doing it. I'm just cleaning it up just like that. And don't be stingy with that concealer, girl. Just put as much so that your brows become more defined and clean. So now I'm gonna quickly blend the concealer out. Ooh, what is wrong with me? With this brush, I'm just gonna be going in. I'm just gonna be blending it all over my eyelid right now. The concealer. And then correcting any errors, and if I feel like I need to go back on something on my eyebrows, I'll just quickly do that until I'm satisfied with my eyebrows. Make sure when you are doing this fade in phase of the eyebrows that you don't connect them and make a unibrow unless you're going for that look. Then you go, girl. And then I'm just went in with the concealer again on the front of my eyebrows to make that fade in more defined. And now I'm going to be using a shade closer to my skin color, which is chestnut, and then I'm going to be using on the upper part of my eyebrows. I'm actually using a different shade because I don't want to have my eyebrows looking like they're floating on my face, you know, eyebrows we've seen lately when the concealer is just too light on both places. I'm not a fan of that, so I just use concealer closer to my shade And just be careful with this process of concealing your upper part of your brows, because it can ruin your brows if you're doing wrong, babes. But if you feel like, and also this helps if you feel like your eyebrows are thick, you can slim them down and make them, you know, small. So I'm quickly going to be blending out the upper part of the concealer that I just put on. So guys, that's just pretty much it. I'm just going to be cleaning up the eyebrows and just, I think we're done now. Just look how cute they are. So yeah, that's it for the eyebrow tutorial, babes. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna leave all the products on the description box, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Bye.